Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Beldex Wallet account. So make sure you watch this video until the end in order to find out how. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let us begin. If you open up the Beldex application, then you will be taken into your dashboard. If you tap on the account icon at the top right corner, you will be able to see various options. However, you will not be able to find an option to log out. So for now, there are two ways of logging out your existing account on this application. The first method is to go ahead and uninstall the application and then install it once again. When you uninstall this application, any account associated or logged in will also be removed. However, you will need to download the application once again if you want to log back in. The other method is to go into your phone settings and then scroll down to Applications. Tap on the Applications button and wait for the list of your installed applications to load. Now search for Beldex Wallet and then tap on it. Scroll down and look for Storage. Open it up and then you can tap on Clear Data or Clear Cache to log out your account. So there you have it. There is no dedicated logout button inside the application, but you can use alternative methods in order to log out from your account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with each new video that we upload. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.